Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make a group chat on Snapchat. So if you want to create a group on Snapchat, this video is for you. It's really easy and simple. So you will be here. You have to click here on this icon here. You can just slide left or you can click here. After that, you have to click here on this icon here. Okay, so the option is here on this blue icon. Just click here, and then here you will see new group chat with up to 100 friends. So simply click here. Here you have to write the group name. So first you have to add people you want to make a group. For example, I'm going to make a group with one of my friends here, and here now you have to write the group name. For example, I'm going to create a group here, uh Snapchat 2.0. Okay, and now I'm going to click on chat to I'm going to so the group is taken. We have successfully created a group. I hope you like this little tutorial. Feel free to subscribe to my channel, and if you have now you have created the group, now you can just mention someone, or you can simply here click here